habits I'm trying to fix. You haven't even seen the half of it, and I don't think you'd want to. I distance myself so it doesn't hurt, but I'm still in pain either way. Don't know why you give me the time of day, 'cause I don't think I'm worth the wait. No, I don't think you should get to know me, because you're feeling lonely. You don't want these problems, I'm overcomplicated. It's hard for me to trust again after what I went through. You say you want me, but I don't wanna believe you. So I don't reply when you message me, I'm trying to end it. Before this begins, I already see what's going to happen. I think you deserve somebody better than me, so I pull away because you'll leave eventually. You'll leave eventually. Cause I've got so much baggage, I don't have it together. I'm flawed and stuck in my ways. I get so mad easily, I can't agree to disagree. I don't admit when I'm wrong. You have no clue, I ruin everything good.